Today we're showing you a 2020 John Deere 5065E tractor. It's a four-wheel drive open operator station tractor. The tractor has just under 100 hours on it. It's practically a brand new tractor. It has 67 horsepower. It's come with the balance of the factory warranty, telescopic 3-point arms, top link, rear remote back here, 540N, 540E PTO. We do have new John Deere 520M loaders available. If you'd like to fit this with a loader, we can certainly help with that. Power reverser transmission, super clean tractor, and again, just practically a new tractor. If you have any questions regarding this unit or any of our other units, please contact us.